treating ourselves today. We going high level on the mac and cheese. I got the King Arthur flour. I got the Tillamook mild cheddar cheese. I got the Cabot seriously sharp cheddar cheese. Fairlife whole milk. Kerrygold butter. And we got some Kraft Colby Jack. This might not be high level. This everyday macaroni. You ain't gotta do this to make a excellent mac and cheese. So we're gonna do 2 cups worth. Damn. Oh, it is nice and thick. 2 cups of this too, baby.
Cheesier the better.
And this here we just use the whole thing. Gonna add a little more cheddar. That's what we gonna do. We gotta top it off too. High level mac and cheese. We gonna grate it ourselves. But you know what? I'll be back once y'all see it grated. Cause I'm letting Shawana grate it. Putting all the work. Got our water boiling. Put a tablespoon kosher salt. We gonna cook this macaroni al dente. They say cook it for about 6 minutes for al dente. We gonna do it for 5. We're gonna throw a half stick of butter in there. Got the fire pretty low, keeping it low. Making up this roux, baby. Half a cup of flour. Keep on stirring, keep on stirring. Pour a little bit of milk up in here. Do it a little at a time. See how it's coming together. Getting my stirring game up. Alright, we're gonna throw some cheese up in here. We're gonna use half our mixture up in here to make our ooey gooey cheese mixture. Oh, this is gonna be so good, baby. So y'all, I'm about to throw my seasoning in here. I got my teaspoon of Lori seasoning salt. I got some onion powder I did by eye, garlic powder, a little chili powder, some paprika, and a little mustard seed powder. Oh, throw it on in there. Keep on stirring. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Almost forgot. We got a little pepper. See how it's coming together? See how it's coming together? Ooh. Grease this pan up, baby. Nice. Nice and lubricated. Just extra little butter in between. It's gonna be our first layer. Good stuff there, baby. Sell that cheese sauce. Oh boy. A little layer of cheese over there. So we're gonna have that in between goodness. Yeah. And let's go. I'll find one later. You know, you could have did it too. I could have put the macaroni and cheese in there, but I didn't. I decided to do it this way. Tell you one thing, I bet you'd be good. Bet you'd be good. Second layer. Extra richness. Boy, it's layered up, ain't it? Put it in the oven. We're gonna go for a half an hour, 350. We're gonna see what she look like. Yep.
Wee. Ooh.
Yep.
Ooh, and the smell. Jesus.
Yep. Baby, let's show them what I forgot to record. Forgot to record these.
Candy.
Come on now. Come on now. We ain't gonna do well on this. There you go. High level mac and cheese, baby. Deliciousness. Oh. Ooh. You hear that? Girl, you don't stop.
Give me some. Ooh.
I'm gonna hook you up first.
Thank you kindly. All that corner.
Look at that. Look at
Crispiness and moistness and empty.
Man. Why? Why?
Wow.
Man, I like that. That crunch.
You did that. Ah.
Oh, I made me some jerk chicken too. We playing with them, baby. It's all because of my son. He's hanging out in Chicago at Jaw Grill. And I said, oh man, that's one of my favorite jerk spots. Yeah, baby, we gonna get your little plate out the way.
Okay.
We're gonna put it on over here.
Okay. Do your taste test so I can get to my plate.
My son said, call him when I get the spread. FaceTime D'Angelo. Yo. You told me to hit you up once I got everything finished. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh man. Oh man.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. You got it together right there.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm about to finish up this video, so I'm gonna holler at you later.
I'll let you later, boss lady.
I love you, man. Making him jealous. Okay, all right. We came here for the mac and cheese. Oh my God. Woo. Oh, baby. Oh, man.
Wrap it up. I don't get to my plate. You making me jealous.
Oh, that mac and cheese.
Hitting, ain't it?
Man. Woo. All right, y'all. These holidays, y'all stay blessed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. We're going to keep on clowning and cooking some good stuff. All right. Peace. Appreciate you.